What's up, guys? Mr. Strongly here. How you doing? Did you know that your breathing can change how you feel? That's right. We breathe thousands of times per day, and we don't even think about it. But if you think about how you breathe, just a little bit, if you think about it, you can change how you feel. I'm gonna show you what I mean. Watch this. This is a 50-pound kettlebell. 50 pounds. It's a beast, okay? Now, if I'm gonna lift this over my head, I'm gonna have to take some short, fast breaths, and it's gonna hype me up. It's gonna amp me up so I can get strongly. Can you help me out with that? I need you to do it with me. Do the catchphrase with me. You ready? Come on, here we go. You ready? Ready? Let's get strongly. That's right. One more time. Here we go. Let's get strongly. That's right. All right. Here's my weight. All right, to lift it over my head, short, quick breaths. Here it is. Ready? Yeah, see? Yeah, got it. Yes. How you feel? You good? You feeling amped up? Let's do it one more time. Let's do it one more time. All right, here we go. Come on. All right. All right, it's 50 pounds. Gotta pull it over my head. I gotta do some fast breaths. 1, 2, here we go. Over the head, yes. Yes, got it. Got you, all right. See, the short, quick breaths amp us up, they hype us up, they make us feel super excited. But let's try me and you. All right, let's try to jump as high as we can. And we'll use our short, fast breaths to amp us up and hype us up so we can jump even higher. You ready? Come on, get some room, get some room, get some room. All right, so, hey, I don't wanna hit my little weight there. All right, here, get yourself ready, feet apart. I want you to jump up as high as you can, all right? We're gonna do our short breaths, ready? Ready, on 3. 1, 2, 3, jump. Yes, good, good. Can you jump even higher this time? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Here we go, ready? Short breaths, quick breaths. Jump high. Yes. Again, ready? 1, 2, 3, jump. Yes. All right, you feel that? You feel those breaths getting you super pumped? What about if we did a side-to-side jump? Try to jump as far this side as you can. Ready? You gotta breathe. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. See all the breathing I'm doing, short and fast? Go. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. All right. See those little short breaths and fast breaths are getting me pumped up. But sometimes we don't need to be pumped up, right? Sometimes we need to calm down. Maybe we play a game, we get mad at a friend, or maybe we get upset with a teacher or somebody at home, a parent, brother, sister, something like that, and we need to calm down. It works the other way too. Let's take some slow, deep breaths and see if we can calm down. You ready? All right. Get your hands together like this, and I want you to breathe in through your nose like you're smelling the flowers. Breathe it in, and breathe it out. Out of your mouth, like you're blowing out the candles. Breathe it in, and breathe it out. One more time, nice and deep. Breathe it in, smell the flowers, and blow out the candles. The slow, deep breaths bring us down and make us calm. Those short, fast breaths, oh, that makes us super pumped up and amped up, and we can lift weights and we can do big jumps. So, when you're feeling a little bit amped up, you're feeling a little too excited, like you're mad and you don't know how to calm down, you're upset, check your breathing, all right? Thank you for breathing with me today. Thank you for working out with me today. I will see you later.